Hey guys, so this is a bridge. Oh, over here. So this is a bridge, and it's not as wide as the snow is showing.
Hey, you gotta give me some guidance here.
You can go a little closer this way.
You know how far down, how deep this is? Look at the bottom of the chain link. We're not even close to the bridge.
Whoa, shit!
We're not even close.
I would just run it. Whoa, do a little more closer this way though. Quentin, you should get closer to the wall.
On it.
Because you don't even know what's... Well, the snow gives you a wider track, actually. Look at this track, guys.
I don't want to fall into the fence either. No.
It's so sketchy. Whoa, don't steer that way.
I know we're right on the edge.
Now let's get out and go look after. Here, pull over there.
Holy shit. That was like over the edge.
Now, keep going. I want to walk on the bridge now. All right, let's see how close they were to falling off. Oh. Hilarious. Look at the edge right there, guys. That, whoa, shit!
Don't step on that edge. We need to come back across yet.
Yeah, look how much edge you had.
Oh, we're still on the bridge, sort of.
But the whole snow could slide off together.
I know.
So
well, it was doing that inwards too, right? So we were like, oh.
That would be quite upside down in some powder, huh?
Oh, we'd be fucked.
Oh fuck, we were only hanging on by a little bit.
Yeah, especially right here.
Uh-huh. That's where I looked out. I'm like, oh shit.
Jump off there, Seamus, take a jump and see how deep it is.
No chance.
You'll fall right in the powder.
This fat guy ain't doing it.
That's a tight bridge. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like, it's a long ways down yet before we're actually on the bridge.
Yeah. Otherwise, you could go through that.
It's going to suck coming back because I won't be able to see that side. You just have to drive by braille. Uh-huh.